Hey guys, welcome you in a new video. As you saw in thumbnail, today's video is dedicated to unlock a smartphone pin pattern password. And if you are watching this video, then I'm sure your phone is locked due to forget password, pin or pattern lock. So don't worry at all and watch this video till the end. Your smartphone be unlocked. If my previous video didn't work on your phone and your smartphone could not unlock, then don't worry, by the video, by this new method what I'm going to giving in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. But watch the video till the end. Further in this video I will also tell you why sometimes the method of unlocking didn't work in your phone. Before reveal this video, there are some important things that you have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone should not less than charge 50%, otherwise whatever your data you have in your phone can be deleted. So before starting this method you should fully battery charged of your phone at least 30%, or else you can plug your charger to your phone and use this method. One of the most important thing I would like to tell you, the method is updated every month, so that's why it may be possible my previous video didn't work on your unlock your phone. So the main thing is that every month this method updates and every month the security codes changes. So if your phone is not unlocked with this trick, then take help of my upcoming video or old video, and for this you must subscribe to the channel. If your phone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like. This give us a lot of encouragement to make a next video and help you further. First of all, whenever your mobile is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Watch this video till the end, only then you will be able to unlock your phone. By fully learning this method, mention in it, applying it to your locked smartphone, now you have to use the offline mode. And in this offline mode, firstly, if you want to unlock your phone, there are two important things you have to do before you using this method. The first thing is that your phone should be on airplane mode. So you can see here, simply if you have to activate your phone's airplane mode, then simply slide down your slider. You can see here there is an option of airplane mode. Sorry, there is an option of airplane mode, or it's also known as flight mode. Some phone shows here flight mode. You have to activate this airplane mode. It means now your phone is on completely flight mode. There is no network showing in your phone. The second important thing what you have to do, that is you have to completely close your background application which were running before your phone was locked. So I think you know about it. Before unlocking your phone, it's not possible to close all the application and all the data which were running before your phone locked. So there is a secret code to close all the application which were running before your phone locked. So this secret code updates every 2 or 3 days, or every 10 or 15 days. So if your phone is unlocked by this secret code, that means it's okay. If your phone didn't unlock by this secret code, then you will have to see my previous video, or you will have to wait for my upcoming video. So look at here friends, there is a secret code, that is you have to dial this secret code in emergency call option. So firstly you have to activate your emergency call option. After that you will see here there is a dialing pad, there is an emergency call only. This secret code is in the form of USSD. USSD calls means where before the number star has been placed and after the number has been placed. So this secret code is star 852 126 900 and hash. You can also take a screenshot. Now simply call on this number. You will get a prompt of a call failed. Those don't worry, simply click on OK and continue this process 3 times, 2 and 3. After completing this process, you have to simply clear your call log. Now you can see here I have cleared my call log. Now simply what you have to do, I am going to give you a secret code to go on engineers mode, or it's also known as master unlocking method. Okay, So it's also in the form of USSD number. So it's this number is star hash 899 and hash. After clicking on hash, you will see here there is a display appears in your phone. That's engineer mode option. There are lots of options over there, but don't go with any other option because it's completely change your phone if you go in other different options. So whatever I'm going to I'm going to give you a method completely process, so don't mismatch any process. So you can see here there is an option of software version. You can see here there is an option of software version. So simply click on software version. After clicking on software version, you will see here there are lots of options over there. And the first option you can see here model. It means it's your phone's model number, that is RMX2117. And the second option is that is Android version. So you have to go with the Android version. Here Android version has been written 12. It may be possible in your phone Android version shows 13, Android version 10 or 11, and I have to click on this Android version 12 times because here my phone's Android version is 12. If your phone is showing Android version 13, that you have to click on the Android version option 13 times. So generally simply I'm going to click on Android version 12 times. You can count with me. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, now the first stage has been completed. Now simply you have to go with the back button. You can see at the bottom of the phone there is a back option. It will work genuinely. So now you can see a option manual test above the software version. You can see here there is an option of a manual test. So simply click on manual test. After clicking on this option, you will get a such type of page. So simply you have to slide your display right side until you reach to the other option. Now you are at the option of other. There are 5 type of option. You can see here at the number of 4th database version, or it may also show in your phone database version, or it's also known as motherboard, or you may say that motherboard version. So simply you have to click on database version at least 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. After completing on the click of 7 times, you have to stay here for the 7 seconds. My friends, completely follow this process step by step. Don't skip any method. If you skip any process or any method, your phone is not going to unlock. Okay, so now the 7 second has been completed. You can see there is a option read write important log test. At the second option, you have to simply click on this option. After clicking on this, it will ask you to confirm this option, but you don't have to confirm it. You have to cancel this option. So look at this. I have cancelled this option and continue do this process 3 times. Cancel. Again it will ask for confirm, then you have to cancel. But at the 4 times, simply you have to click on this option, and this time you have to confirm this option with the OK option. Okay, now the second step has been completed, my friends. Now what you have to do, you have to simply slide left side your display, and you will see an option at the top. You can see here device debugging option. So you have to stay at this option. Here you will see a lots of option from top to bottom. You can see here check a small board match, main board, fingerprint test, keypad test, vibration test. There are lots of options, but you have to go here with the sensor self test and calibration option. You can see here there is an option of sensor self test and calibration. So simply click on this sensor self test and calibration option. After clicking on this option, you will see in your phone there would be 1, 2 or 3 option. Here my phone is showing there are 2 options here, that is a gyroscope operation not started. What I have to do here and what you have to do here, simply click on all the options which are showing on your display. So I'm going to click on this option. It means I am going to operation started this option, and you have to click on these options until you get a single passed message. Now you can see my phone is showing a single pass message, but there was a 2 option, but one option is showing test passed message. It means my all the process has been completed. Now I have to check whether my phone is unlocked or not. So simply what you have to do to get the check of your phone is unlocked or not. So simply you will see here at the bottom of phone there is an option of a home button. So simply you have to click on home button. My friends, you can see my phone has been unlocked completely, and all the data of the phone whatever was installed before the phone lock as usual as it is. So if my video help you to unlock your phone, then like this video, and if your phone is not unlocked by this method, then subscribe my channel for the further upcoming videos, because these type of method updates every 2 or 3 days. So kindly subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you very much. See you in next video with the next technical